Today I'll be sharing with you 7 signs that can help you identify whether or not your case might be worth significantly more than the insurance company is offering you, and why you should take a closer look or consult with a lawyer to take a closer look before signing any settlement with the insurance company. We've had people contact us when an insurance company has offered them $20,000 or $30,000 for their claim. It turns out that their claim could be worth 10 times that amount, and sometimes even more. I'm Andrew Iacobelli, and I'm a personal injury lawyer with Iacobelli Law Firm. We have offices in Florida, Texas, and in Ontario. Before representing injured people, I spent years defending insurance companies and large corporations. And so I've seen firsthand and behind the scenes how insurance companies look at cases and how they identify opportunities to pay as little as possible and identify weaknesses in those cases. I take that knowledge today and I try to apply it to my client's case so that I can build a stronger case and get them the maximum recovery they deserve for their injuries. Over the years, I've seen countless people who have reached out to us to get an opinion on an offer made by an insurance company. Sometimes it's really obvious that the offer being made is low, and that's why they've reached out to us. But other times, the people reaching out to us really do feel that they have been offered adequate compensation for their loss, and they want us to review the settlement document or the release that the insurance company is asking them to sign. I can recall one where they were offered $20,000 for their case. And when we started learning about the events of the accident, the injuries, the impact it had on this person's life, we were able to ultimately recover for them more than 10 times what the insurance company had offered. We told them not to sign the release and to actually fight for what they deserve. Now what I'd like to do is identify some of the things that we've seen over the years as indicators that you can look at in your own case to identify whether or not you have a case that probably is worth much more than the insurance company is offering you. So if you were admitted to hospital after a crash, or if you were ultimately offered and given surgery because of an injury in a crash, there's a very good likelihood that your case is worth significantly more than what the insurance company is offering you. And that should be an indicator to get an opinion from a lawyer as to what your case is actually worth. Number 2, 3 months has passed since your accident or more, and you're still experiencing pain or other symptoms related to the accident or injury. That's an indicator that you might have something more going on and you may be entitled to more compensation than what you might immediately have thought. Get an opinion. Number 3, if time has passed after your accident and you've heard your doctor or other healthcare providers describing your injury or your symptoms as long-term, chronic, or permanent, then you absolutely want the opinion of a lawyer because your case could be worth significantly more than what the insurance company is offering you. Number 4, if you have missed significant time from work because of your injury, that's a clear indicator that you should speak to a lawyer. Even if you feel that you're on the mend and that you're going to go back to work, really important to speak to a lawyer because time off work is an indicator that your claim could be worth more than what the insurance company is offering you. Number 5, if your injury is impacting some of your major functions, memory, your thought process, your mobility, if it's impacting your vision, your hearing, your balance, your ability to function in things that you ordinarily did pain-free or without any difficulty whatsoever, that's a huge indicator that your injury could be worth significantly more. The likelihood is the offer is too low. Number 6, if you're relying on family members for daily routine tasks, things that you could do without any help before the crash or before your injuries, that's a sign that your case could be worth much more than what the insurance company is offering you. Number 7, if the insurance adjuster is pressuring you or insisting on settling because it's a limited offer, limited time offer, an opportunity to resolve your case, that should be a concern for you. Why are they in such a hurry to settle your case? Insurance companies usually aren't in a hurry to pay money unless they're in a hurry to get a release. And the release is the contract where you have contracted now with them to release and remise all of your rights and remedies against them and the at-fault party. So whenever an insurance company is pressuring you or looking to quickly get a release in exchange for money, that should cause you pause. And that should be an indicator to reach out to a lawyer and just get a second opinion before you sign that release. So what should you do if any of these 7 circumstances apply to you? You should immediately reach out to a lawyer. Personal injury lawyers like us, we offer free consultations. We'll review your injuries with you, the circumstances of your case, the offer that's being made, and help you identify whether or not it's a fair offer. Occasionally it is. In our experience, most of the time it's not. And sometimes settling too early and without the proper information can result in you leaving hundreds of thousands of dollars or more on the table. Reach out to a lawyer for a consultation to find out if it's a fair result for your case. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us anytime. We're happy to address your questions. Likewise, if you have any comments or suggestions, let us know. We like to hear your comments. Thank you again for watching. We hope this helped.